The present progressive is formed by means of the auxiliary verb to be in the present indefinite. Am, is, are, plus the notional verb with the ending ing. For example, Bill is watching movies right now, and Betty is writing an email to her friend at the moment. The present progressive is primarily used to denote physical activities which you can see somebody doing, and is used with the verbs denoting motion, such as to fly, to buy, to meet, to start, to drive, etc. For example, he is driving the car at the moment. He is driving the car at the moment. This is the physical activity which you can see the man doing. That's why I'm using the present continuous tense in this case. Your emotional state, your preferences, your thinking activities and viewpoints are completely invisible to the person's eye. That's why they are typically not used in the present continuous tense. Such verbs as to love, to hate, to like, to dislike, to know, to understand, to forget, to remember, and many other are normally not used in this tense. In the interrogative sentences, or in other verbs in questions, we should place the auxiliary verb to be, am, is, are before the subject. For example, is she eating a spider now? Is she eating a spider now? Are they skydiving now? Are they skydiving now? Is the robot talking now? Don't forget to use the rising intonation at the end of the sentence. Is the robot talking now? Is the robot talking now? In the negative sentences, we should place the negative particle not after the auxiliary verb am, is, are. For example, he isn't reading English books now, or he is not reading English books now. He is not speaking English with his friends or native speakers. He isn't speaking English with his friends or native speakers. They are not playing hockey now. They aren't playing hockey now. The present continuous tense is used to express an action that is taking place at the very moment of speaking, just now, and is normally used with the time expressions such as now, at the moment, at present, today, this week, this year, etc. Also, you have to keep in mind that the present continuous expresses not only an action that is happening just right now at the very moment of speaking, but also has a wider meaning. Sometimes it denotes an action that is taking place at the present period of time, not necessarily just now at the very moment. For example, I'm living with my friends until I find an apartment. In this case, this is the temporary action that is going on at the present period of time, not just now, not at the very moment of speaking. We also use the present continuous when we talk about our future arrangements, plans or intentions, or about something that is likely to happen in the near future. For example, I'm attending the concert tonight. I'm going to the birthday party tomorrow. I'm visiting Paris this week. The present continuous is also used to express an action that is annoying, irritating, or even shocking to people, and it is often used with the words always or constantly, which are placed after the auxiliary verb am, is, are. For example, Tom is always telling me what to do, and I don't like it. He's so bossy. Jane is always talking on the phone. It's very irritating to me. And lastly, these people are always complaining.